playing with carbs all day, and once again I've come to a really obnoxious realization about people of the internet giving advice. And I really wish that everybody, especially in this paramotoring group or paramotor homemade group, would provide experience, man, because I have a lot of opinions, you have a lot of opinions, but it seems like once again the only one person that shared real experience with this particular situation was correct, and everybody else was completely incorrect. So Neil, rock on, dude, you're the man. So I have a little airbrush compressor. It has a little restrictor pill with a really small orifice, and my pop-off pressure was like at 22 psi. And now with little spring adjustments, you are a rock star and a scholar. So I'm gonna go test that out, see how it goes. Thank you. So that did it. I was just gonna get tuned, and there is indeed some mid-range hesitation, like other people have said, but it's not like bogging down about to die like it used to, and I still have the pop-off pressure set a little high, so I think I can tune that out, and I think it's working. So once again, Neil, you are the man. Thank you.